Turning one point into a parallel line, that's what's going down today on Math Hacks. Welcome back to Math Hacks. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Brett, and I'm here to help you crush all of your math goals. Today I am teaching you how to find the equation for a line that goes through a specific point and is parallel to another line. To create the equation of a line, we need a couple of pieces of information. We either need 2 points on that line, or we need a point and the slope. So in this problem, they give us 1 point. We have the point -3, 5. And we also know that the line is going to be parallel to this line. So that tells us essentially what the slope is, because any two lines that are parallel have the same slope. So the first thing we need to do is figure out exactly what the slope of the line 2x plus 3y = 6 is. Now to do that, the easiest way is to solve for y so that it is y = mx plus b form, and then we can easily read off the slope. So that's what I'm going to start by doing. Once we get the line in y = mx plus b form, we know that the slope is simply the coefficient on x. So our slope is -2/3. Because we are constructing parallel lines, this slope is the exact same slope that we are going to use to make the formula for our new line. So this is our slope, and then we're just going to use the point -3, 5. And we're going to plug that into the point slope formula. In the point slope formula, we're going to replace m with -2/3, and then we're going to replace the x1, y1 with the point -3, 5. And then I'm going to solve for y so that this equation is in slope-intercept form as well. So that is our answer to the first half of this problem. We have created the equation for a line that is parallel to the line they gave us and passes through the point -3, 5. So the last thing I'm going to do is just graph both lines on an xy coordinate plane. So to graph our first line, I'm going to start with the y-intercept of 2, and then I'm going to apply a slope of -2/3 from that point. Again, I'm going to mark the y-intercept, which this time is at +3, and then I'm going to apply the slope of -2/3 from that point. So as you can see, that these two equations gave us two lines that are parallel. That means they'll never cross, and they are different lines because they cross the y-axis at different points. Next time, I'll show you how to create the equation for a line that goes through a specific point but is perpendicular to a given line. So keep an eye out for that. And to make sure that you don't miss anything that Math Hacks is doing, click that subscribe button below and follow me on social media. I'll leave all the links in the description box. So next time, I'm Brett, and good luck studying.